Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Copernicus, and today we are going to be doing some decluttering around the house for spring cleaning. And I'm gonna take you along with me, but Copernicus is not gonna stay for as long as I'm staying. But enjoy. Say hi, Copernicus. So, today we are going to start decluttering for spring. So, Goodwill, going through the closet, going through junk, and going and donating it so that other people can enjoy it. Come along with me and let's go through some clutter. So the first thing that I'm doing here is going through cabinet by cabinet and seeing what I actually need, what I don't need. So some of this is trash, so that's gonna go aside to a pile that's trash. And then some of this can be recycled because it's glass and I don't. Did y'all really just hear that? Yeah. Something's already shattered. We're 5 minutes in and something's already shattered. Sounds like we're decluttering. Let's go, baby. Thank God the cleaners are coming today. Perfect timing. Nice try, Satan. Let's keep going. I promise you right now, nothing is gonna stop your girl. So this, I'm keeping this. So for things that I'm straight up keeping, I'm gonna keep in the cabinet. Recyclable, that's going with the recycling. I don't use this anymore and it's filthy dirty, recycling. These spices I'm gonna keep because they're unopened. Glass kettle I'm gonna keep, obviously. And that's the end of this cabinet. I'm gonna keep the vinegar for now. Keep the olive oil. Boom. Cabinet 1, done. Okay, so now we are in my closet. It is color coded, but there's a lot in here that we don't need. So basically, I'm just gonna go through and pick out things that we don't wear and we don't actually use, and that's what's gonna go to Goodwill. So just going through, starting at the white. Winter's over. I've had this for years. This can go. I will get a new sweater next season. Goodwill. I bought this shirt at H&M and I have literally never worn it. Goodwill. This is one of last year's workout shirts that I do not wear anymore. Goodwill. This is a dress from a couple years ago that literally shrunk in the dryer and doesn't fit. Goodwill. Look, this was coming off of the hanger because it already knows. I never wear this. Goodwill. I'm getting new clothes, by the way. I'm getting new clothes from H&M. I haven't bought clothes in so long. It's time. Linen pants. Wrinkled disaster from H&M. Goodwill. Most of my husband's stuff I'm keeping because he's actually good. I'm the one that's discontent. I'm the one that needs to declutter. This is from H&M from last year. I'm gonna get a new one. Goodwill. This shirt is falling apart. Goodwill. This sweatshirt is stained to the point where I can't wear it in public. Goodwill. This jacket I have literally never worn and probably never will. Goodwill. It's if I don't wear it, it's going to Goodwill. It's just gonna sit in my closet. Someone else should wear it. These purple workout leggings. I bought these with other leggings. I never wear these. Goodwill. This Eddie Bauer shirt for my husband. It's a wrinkled mess. Goodwill. I'm tired of ironing it. I'm gonna keep my husband's cool Hawaiian shirts. He loves those. Keeping those. These leggings. I never wear these. Goodwill. This is literally emptying out so much room in my closet, or our closet. So many empty hangers. Love to see it. Leggings I absolutely hate. They literally don't fit me. They are too big and they literally fall down. Goodwill. Weight loss. This shirt I'm actually keeping because this is everything and it's actually really cute. This black shirt from H&M is too short. It's almost like a crop top, which I hate that. Goodwill. Old Navy shirt. I've never seen my husband wear this. Goodwill. Workout tank top. I have never worn this. Never will. Goodwill. Separate some of these hangers. So I'm just going to collect all of the unused hangers out so it doesn't look like a mess. These hangers. So that when I put away my laundry, I can sit here and grab hangers from the end. The color scheme starts with black. I try to separate the hangers a little bit just for my OCD. Purple, blue. Oh, we got one that fell off. Blue, extra hangers. I guess it's something that they taught to me in basic training is like spacing out your hangers, like for your clothes. And it's just something that I never stop doing because I can't stand the way it looks when they're all like all over the place. Okay. Oh, got another one. I never wear this. Goodwill. I never wear this. Goodwill. I swear to y'all, I'm not playing any games. I'm not playing any games this season. If I don't wear it, it's going. This kimono, I never wear this. Goodwill. I've had that for years, like literally since I was a teenager. I don't want to wear things that I wore when I was like 16. I'm 24. You know what I mean? Like, we gotta move on. Just moving all of these hangers down to the end. We have so many now. All right. Couple more things. My husband has never worn this, never will. Goodwill. I'm not playing with him. If he ain't gonna wear what he has, it's going to Goodwill. Sorry, babe. I never wear this. Goodwill. This Goodwill. Why are you getting rid of all of this? Because I'm trying to build like a capsule wardrobe. So that's what I've been trying to do since like last fall. And so what I've been buying since last fall are like just pieces that are like plain colored. So like this was part of the capsule wardrobe where a lot of you guys say, oh, you wear this all the time. Okay, yeah, this is my favorite sweatshirt, but like I can sit here and wear this with jeans and boots and dress it up. I can sit here and wear a vest over it. I can wear a coat over it. I can do different colors with it. That's the point of a capsule wardrobe, is that you don't have so many clothes. You just have the essentials and you can make different outfits with it. So it's more minimalist. And that's what I'm going for, and that's why like I'm showing you guys like clearing this out today to really like replace it with like capsule wardrobe items. Linen pants, Goodwill. I don't even know if these are going to be in season this year. Linen pants, Goodwill. Don't buy trends, guys, because they're going to go to Goodwill. Get capsule wardrobe items so that you don't have to sit here and be like, Goodwill, Goodwill, Goodwill. Because you bought things that were trendy at the time, and now they're not. We are almost done, y'all. We are almost done. All right. This white linen shirt, H&M, never wear it. Goodwill. This cardigan, never wear it. Goodwill. All right. So for the rest of this, I'm pretty much going to leave it alone. Keeping all of these shoes, except for, and I'm keeping all my hats because in the summer, I wear hats like every day because I want to protect my hair, my face. Like, I don't want to be burnt. You kidding me? I wear hats every day. Whether it's, I got some sun hats in here that I wear if I'm going to be out about sunning or if I'm at the beach. And then I have some you know, visors and stuff that I wear. Like this is like summertime for me. Like I'll wear like a visor and like have my hair in a ponytail. And it looks mad cute. Like now that this is out, I'm like, I'm wearing this today. Because then when you're like sweating up here, it catches the sweat. So anyways, these are gonna go in the trash. These are not Goodwill material because as you can see, I have worn these to the point where the foaming is literally coming out. So this is recycling. So I'm gonna recycle these because this is recyclable. One last thing. This white wet shirt thing, I don't wear this, Goodwill. Sheets, recycling. That was enough for now. That was enough for the closet for now. That's about all I can take. I'm gonna bag this stuff up and then we're gonna go to Goodwill. All right, it's time to bag this stuff up, which I'm not doing it any special type of way because once it gets to Goodwill, they're gonna sit there and sort it themselves. So I'm just shoving it into the bag, trying to use as little bags as possible because your girl doesn't have much. I don't have a lot to spare, so I don't feel like going to the store and grabbing bags. So I'm using what I've got to take this stuff up to Goodwill today. There's bag number 1, full to the brim. Bag number 2. Bag number 2. Somebody's about to get lucky at Goodwill. Y'all about to be like, Maddie, what Goodwill did you drop off your stuff to? Also, I don't want to hear anybody like, oh, why aren't you sitting here selling it? Because I don't want to nickel and dime every single piece of clothing that I have. I'm just going to go ahead and donate it, get the receipt, get the tax write-off. Leave it at that. I used to sit here and sell my clothes, but it's like, it's too much. Too tedious, not worth the money. Not worth the effort. I'm gonna let y'all see for yourself just how cute I look in visors. So this is how you do it. Take down your hair, put it into a ponytail, not too high, not too low. Wrap it 3 times. Take your visor. Secure it. Flip your hair. Fix your hair. Come around to the front. Okay. Okay. It's visor season, baby. We are headed to Goodwill. I have all of the stuff in the back. After Goodwill, I'm going to the barn to spend some time with Harvey. So yeah. But I figured it's still worth showing you guys the process of donating stuff at Goodwill and kind of how it works or whatever so that you can see it for yourself and see how the process works. All right, y'all. So yeah, that was the process of dropping stuff off at Goodwill. It is so easy and simple. You literally just hand them the bags and it's a done deal. Get your receipt so that you can get your tax write-off, okay? Stay bougie on a budget. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.